What is up, guys? Back with another video, and today we're playing NBA Live Mobile. We have a small pack opening, but I think we have a good one. My luck, if my luck is good, we'll make profit. We have 3 pro packs, 1 beginners pack, 1 motivators pack, 1 real reward pack, and 3 real player packs. So the motivator packs consist of 1 gold or elite motivators edition player, 1 gold or better player, 3 silver or better items. So I hope my luck's pretty good. I was gonna buy this bundle. Features 6 motivator packs and a pack collectible topper, which could be like added to the impact collectibles, but I said no. $20 if you buy 2,200 Mountain Cash. I don't know if that's expensive or not. I should just buy a 14 Pro Pack bundle instead of buying that. But you can buy 5, but I don't recommend you buy 5 because I don't know if these packs are trashy or not. So yeah, I wasted over 60,000 coins. So if I put an elite that made our profit back a little bit over profit, I would be happy because I want an elite of these packs. 2 days ago, I think it was, when I made the variety pack opening, I pulled, I think, a total of 3 or 4 elites. I think it was 3 and 1 off camera. I have to check. I sold the Kyrie Irving for 250k, whatever it was, 100 some k. My bad. And yeah, I think I pulled the Kyrie off camera, and I pulled the Lillard and I don't know. I have to check my videos. I didn't upload for nearly 2 days, a day or two. So I hope we're gonna start with the real players reward. I hope we pull an elite in this one. If I made our profit back, pull Josh McRoberts. Okay. I'm gonna save the pro packs and the motivator packs for last. 53 Sergey. I sold him for 53k because this other YouTuber was doing a giveaway of 53k and he bought mine. So I was happy. 55. Better. Let's do this drill reward. Hope to get something good. Quincy AC. Let's do this beginner pack. We get Quincy Pound Xter. 71 3-pointer, 71 dribbling. Okay, let's do these pro packs. Can we get some luck? Can we? Alright, shove him back. Come on. I need an elite. Alright, it's this one. Alright, Al Jefferson. Okay. Last pro pack. Come on. Can we get an elite? Alright, Darren. Oh, we get a Jakeem Noah. Double gold. And a finals collectible. Alright, let's put this final collectible in my sets. And claim. I think we're just going to get trash. Ooh, 1,000. That's pretty good. So I hope we pull an elite in this final one. It's just like a pro pack in Madden Mobile, just a 5-pack item. But we get 2 golds. Alright. And we get a Tristan Thompson, 33 3-pointer. Okay. No. I didn't want that, but I guess we have to do that. So, sell items. I guess we can, like, trade it in. We can trade these silver and bronze in auction sets. That's these silver first. I think we can do 2. I'm assuming. No, we cannot. Oh, that's fine if we just do 1. Okay. We get a gold trophy. Okay, that's good. Should we do it? No, I mean, should we do the... Let me see who updates my team first. Because I don't know if they update my team, no. No. I want to keep Tyson Chandler in. Al Jefferson, yes, he is updating my team. I think this updates my team. No, I don't think. Nope. So we can do one. We can do a... Actually, let's do the sets. Players, I think you can add a player to the... add a player to the weekly events. I mean, I don't know. You can add that, I guess. No, let's just not do that. I don't want to do that. We'll just sell them. Not sell them, just put them in the set. 10 trophy set. And just keep Tristan Thompson. Just in case. Sorry, Jakeem Noah. But I have to sell you. I hope we just do a quick sell. We get 3 gold trophies. 2 trophies, not 3. God dang it. This close to doing a quick sell pack. Probably can do one. No, we cannot. Wait. I think I have another go. No, we don't. So I'll just do these until I get pull like gold, because I don't need these. I'm not trying to make this video longer. Oh, 2 silver. What am I doing? I think I can complete it. Yes, I can complete it. Oh, yay. We can do a quick sell pack, hoping we make profit off of this. So, if we have any luck, we can make profit. If we don't, I don't know. what am supposed to do? Gold trophy. Let's put that there. Go get the gold trophy. Thank you. So quick sell pack. Here we come. Okay. So first quick sell pack. Let's just reveal all. We get 5,000. That's it. We did not make our money back, but I'll tell you how much we got from in total. We have collectibles 5,000, 8,500, and 1,000. Oh, one more. 400, and we have 10,800. Oh. We'll probably do like 250k of blind pro packs next. Once we sell the Leonard and Lillard, we'll do a blind pro pack. If you guys willing, please hit me up with a bundle. It could just be like the 7 pro pack bundle. Yeah, it could be the 7 pro pack bundle. Or the 14, or the 40, or the motivators. I'll be happy if you hit me up with the bundle, because I'm broke right now. I'm trying to make money, so I make it for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.